Hi, thanks for joining me. In this video, I'd like to show you how to use your Zoom and the AVer document camera. And in this case, we're using the AVer A30 all-in-one classroom camera. Now, this is a little tip. If you want to call it tips and tricks, we're going to show you tips and tricks. Now, we all know how to share screen to share a PowerPoint presentation, but let me show you something that might be a little bit better. But let's first go into the way that we've all been used to sharing our screen. So remember, we've always come down to share screen. We'd click on share screen, and then of course we would do exactly that. We would click on screen and we'd go to share, and then now we're sharing the screen. So if it was a PowerPoint presentation, of course I already have a PowerPoint presentation loaded up to show you. So let me go ahead and bring that up, close this window here. Now this is the PowerPoint presentation, and as always, here we are in that window that's in the background. I'm right here, it's a live window, and of course we could go ahead to go through the presentation. We can of course do the slideshow and start from beginning, and this is what it's going to look like, and I'm going through the slideshow presentation. So the other way to perhaps do this is going to look much better. So let's go ahead and stop share. So what we want to do is do the same thing, same steps. We go to share screen, but this time we'll go to the advanced tab. And in the advanced tab, in the upper left-hand corner, it says PowerPoint as a virtual background. Click on that, click share, and now we'll go ahead and select the PowerPoint that we want to share. And in this case, let's see if I can find the same one. So we've got the A30 presentation. We open that up, and you notice now I'm in the bottom corner there as a cutout, and I'm a live image. Perhaps this might be a little bit more professional looking and a little bit less distracting, but I can still resize or move that image around. So let's go to the next slide, and you see there I am. And what's nice about this is I'm like a floating image on the screen. So again, you can resize this to whatever size that you want. There I am. We don't want it that big. I want to bring it down, and let's go ahead and place me in the corner over here. And again, you just go ahead and go through the PowerPoint presentation. And once again, this is perhaps a little bit less distracting, and maybe to a lot of people, it might look a little bit more professional with a floating image like this. So hopefully this has been helpful. And when you're done doing your presentation, go to the top again and click on Stop Share, and we're back to the normal Zoom screen. I hope this has been a great tip for you to use, and remember, it's very, very simple to use. Once again, you go to your share screen, and you go to your advanced tab, and then in the upper left hand corner, it says PowerPoint as a virtual background. And then that's all you have to do. Thanks for watching. My name's Chuck Tuck. Bye-bye.